A professional shine on your facility's floors made easy. Open your eyes to Vision's Wet Look Multi-Speed Floor Finish. This thermoplastic finish is easy to apply for floor techs of any skill level and will produce an instant, deep wet look gloss. The quick-drying finish can be high-speed burnished or maintained with conventional methods. Vision's is suitable for the traffic found in many commercial environments. The flexible film allows for easy removal of black heel marks and scratches. This durable, soil-resistant, premium-grade floor finish offers superior leveling and excellent slip resistancy